Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase views on YouTube using easy methods. First, focus on optimizing your video titles. Use keywords that people are actually searching for to improve your visibility. Next, design eye-catching thumbnails. A great thumbnail can significantly boost your click-through rate, making your video stand out in a crowded feed. Finally, know your audience well to create content they truly want to watch. To keep viewers engaged, always produce high-quality content. Whether it's educational or entertaining, value is key. Actively encourage interaction by asking questions and responding to comments. This builds a community. Don't forget to utilize YouTube's built-in features like end screens and cards. These tools are excellent for guiding viewers to more of your content, keeping them on your channel longer and increasing overall watch time. Promoting your videos beyond YouTube is crucial. Share your content on various social media platforms to expand your reach significantly. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This can introduce your channel to new audiences. Regularly dive into your YouTube analytics. Understanding metrics like watch time and audience retention helps you refine your strategy and create more successful videos in the future. For sustained growth, consistency is paramount. Aim for a regular upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and anticipating new content. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats, like short-form content versus longer tutorials, to discover what truly resonates with your viewers. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial mindset, check out the link in the description for a great book recommendation and other deals. Keep learning and adapting to see your channel thrive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.